Hey everyone, I'm Chef Alex Brugger, Senior Executive Chef for University of Houston. Today we're going to have some fun with some Thanksgiving leftovers. First one I'm going to show you is a Kentucky hot brown. It's an old favorite of mine. Actually learned this one from the wife. So we've got 2 pieces of bread. We're going to go ahead and toast them up. I like to use brioche. We're going to split one in half, go end to end. Then you've got some of that delicious turkey, hopefully mom made for you, and it's nice and juicy. If not, it's quite all right. We're gonna have a nice sauce for you to lay on top. Pile it as high as you want, like 4 or 5 slices so you can see on everything. Next thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and take 4 slices of bacon right on over here. That looks great. Now, obviously add as much or as little as you want. Let's do a sliced Roma tomato. Probably about 4 slices on this one. Then I've got a delicious bechamel sauce right on over here. And bechamel, it's real easy to find in Google. Just go ahead and pull it up. Any base recipe is gonna work. It's just a vehicle to put our nice cheesy goodness on this one. About 4 to 6 ounces on that. A little bit of Parm cheese to finish. And in the oven we go. And here we've got our delicious, bubbling right out of the oven, hot brown. Hit it with a little parsley and enjoy. Hope you like today's recipe. Let me know. Now let's make a tasty dessert. Caramel pumpkin empanadas. Super simple and easy to make. First, I've got a delicious empanada shell, which you can pick up anywhere. Walmart, your local grocery store. We're gonna go ahead and use a crimper that we bought as well. Don't have to, you can use a simple fork if you wanted to. Let's just go ahead and throw a couple of tablespoons of our empanada mix right on in there. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of our egg mix right on one end. Come on in. We've got our empanada crimper. We're just gonna go ahead and fold that over in half. Get yourself a nice empanada there. And then we're just gonna drop them in the fryer for about 2 minutes at 350 degrees. I've got some down here for you. Wow, these look great. Now all we got to do is dress up a good looking plate, serve them up to your guests, dress them up any way you want. We've got that. Do some strawberries on the outside. Let's get some mint on there, and our delicious ice cream, and finally some caramel right on top. No rules, just right. Look at that. Simple, easy, delicious caramel pumpkin pie empanadas. Enjoy.